Welcome to the second part of this series. Let's start off by giving a new background to our game. Let's go to choose a backdrop and click choose. I will go to patterns and pick this one, stripes. Let's delete the original one. And there is our new looking background. In the variables, you can rename coin per click and change it to CPC, that is short form of coin per click, and same with CPS, which is coin per second. To rename a variable, you can go to variables, right click on the variable you want to rename and click on rename variable, and you can rename it this way. Let's add some more buttons. So we are going to duplicate one CPS and one CPC. Let's put one CPS right here and one CPC right here. Let's rename one CPS to 10 CPS and this one CPC to 10 CPC. 10 CPC. And now let's go to the costume and change this number to 10 in both of them. Make sure to recenter the text after editing. Now let's go to the code. Here, when this sprite is clicked, if score is bigger than 99 this time, because it will add 10 CPS, because it is named 10 CPS. So this button will add 10 CPS, which means 10 coins per second. So it will cost more. So if score is bigger than 99, then change score by -100 this time. Let's go to 10 CPC and do the same changes. And this one will be 10. Now let's check again. And oh, what has happened? I can't see the one CPS and one CPC buttons. That is because they are hiding behind these buttons. I should change the position of them. So let's move 10 CPS somewhere here and let's note the positions. It is -192x, we have it here, and -100y. Let's do the same with 10 CPC. It is 191x and -102y. Now our game will work perfectly. Let's go. We have the score 10. Let's buy 1 CPS. Now 1 CPC. Let's try to get 100 points. We have 100 points. Let's buy 10 CPS. Now look, it's increasing by 11 each second. That's because we have 1 CPS upgrade and 10 CPS upgrade, which makes 11 together. Let's try that with 10 CPC. Each time I click, it's increasing by 12. Let's move the score, CPC and CPS to another place. The score will be right here. Let's right click on the variable and click on large readout. This will look much cooler. The CPC will be on the top right and CPS will be on the top left. Now let's add some skins. We can rename our project to Fruit Clicker. And this apple sprite will be now fruit. Let's go to costumes and click choose a costume. I want my fruit to be banana. Let it load. Yes, now I have 3 bananas, but I want only one. So I will delete the other 2. Let me just rotate it like this and recenter it. Now let's add some code to switch the costume. In the when green flag clicked forever loop, we will add an if then statement. If key B is pressed, that is for banana, switch costume to banana. Duplicate this and change if a key pressed, switch costume to apple. Let's try it. Let's press B. It is already banana, so it isn't changing. But when I press A, I'm trying to press A, but the costume isn't changing. Let's see why. Let's go over the script again. When green flag is clicked forever, change score by CPS. Then wait 1 second. This delays the time. So let's take this out and put the code in another forever loop. This forever loop will go under this script. Or you can just make another when green flag is clicked. Now let's try. When I press A, it is the apple. When I press B, it is a banana. That works. I am going to add more fruits. Let's go to the costumes tab. Click choose and let's see, this time it will be the orange. Let me make the orange a little big. I'm going to select it all and then make it bigger and then recenter it. Let's add if O key is pressed. Switch costume to orange. Now I will add a watermelon. It will be the same. I will increase the size. Make sure to select it all and then recenter it. Go to the code, and if W key is pressed, there is W. Switch costume to watermelon C. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more such videos, please like, share and subscribe.